Maintaining recovery principles in the current state of our behavioral health system can be challenging. So much change, so much integration, so much administrative processes and billing codes and all of the things that are changing that we need to stay on top of in order to have a viable organization. And yet, sometimes we can get lost in that constant change if we aren't focused on what brought us here in the first place. If we aren't focused on what is the basic thing that we want. And that is, we want people to get well. You're in business so that people who come to you for service can get their lives back, so they can have the best life possible. My name is Mary Jadwisiak, and my company, Holding the Hope, can help you do just that. We work with companies all over the country, providing continuing education for peer support specialists, providing all staff training in recovery and hope, providing training for your reception and your front office non-clinical staff on how to bring hope to every interaction with every person they meet. We know that hope is the driving principle of recovery, and we know that it's free. If you want to maintain recovery principles in the practices that you provide, give me a call, and I will help you design a program and bring training programs and staff education and staff support to your agency that will help you reduce staff turnover and increase productivity hours and increase outcomes so that your people get better. Give me a call. I'm holding the hope for you, so let's get started.